I'm drawing my followers, subscribers, and commenters on my channel here. I'm recreating their outfit on a piece of paper with a pencil, creating it from scratch, and ball pen for for black for better like like this. I'll show you. Wait, like this. I draw J. Ignore the TikTok one. Hope she likes it and sees this. So I'm recreating their outfits like that. So I'll draw one of you who comments here, who comment on my one video that I draw this. Okay, goodbye. I have